welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing another Costco haul. So we just went out and we got a bunch of stuff. We stocked up. In this video, I also wanted to show you guys something that I learned yesterday. This video actually has been going viral. This doctor has been so helpful in teaching people actually how to bring in groceries like from the market. So right now I have this table here. So if you guys actually have a table right by your entrance, that's ideal, because what you want to do is just set your groceries right here. And I'm gonna start to disinfect everything. Just so you know, by the way, I'm in my robe because I got home, I washed my hands right away, and I also got rid of my clothes right away. Leave your shoes outside, make sure to remove your clothes and wash your hands. So I got my disinfecting wipes right here. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove any unnecessary packaging, because as you know, Costco is a bulk store, so a lot of their stuff comes in extra packaging in boxes and stuff like that. And basically, you wanna disinfect or get rid of anything that has had any human touch. So while I clean this off, I'm gonna show you guys the packaging. I'm gonna show you guys what I got, what I picked up. So this should be fun, stay tuned. So here, first we have this cauliflower crackers. And what's great about this, it comes in bags inside, individual bags. So I get to remove it, wipe it off. Any bags you can wipe off, and then any boxes you just want to get rid of it. Since I'm right here by the entrance, I'm just gonna toss those boxes right outside. So here we have a bag. You really want to get the handles where somebody might have touched it, grabbed it, whatever. All right. So I have my kitchen is right here, so I'm gonna be placing everything there. All right, this box. Next thing I wanna do is, because I am touching the boxes as well, I'm literally gonna open this pizza box and just place, not touching the pizza, I'm gonna place the pizzas over there, okay? Because then I'm gonna wash my hands and put things away. I know this sounds like a lot of stuff, and honestly, like, it is a lot. You know, our lives have completely changed, and this is what we need to do in order to reduce our exposure to this disease. So you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, so like I said, now that it's open, by the way, you guys, oh my god, I just forgot to rave about this product, but you guys, this is the cauliflower crust pizza. It is the most delicious pizza ever. It is my favorite, and in this box, there's two. So I'm happy with that. I'm just gonna, like I said, toss this over there, throw away the box. So stuff like this that you don't want to get rid of the packaging, you can just wipe it down, just disinfect it, make sure, you know, make sure you got it. Lightly sweetened maple berry blend cereal. I like how it shows ingredients you can see. Like, I like that. So it has almonds, cereal flakes made with whole grain, pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, dried cherries, 50 grams of whole grain per serving. So this really stood out to me, and I think there's like 2 bags in here. So yeah. This is really, really healthy for a snack, for breakfast, whatever. This as well, this is my Kodiak cakes. This is pancakes, and I love it because all you have to do is add water. And I had those little pancake maker from Amazon, and I've been loving that lately. All right, so here we have 3 containers of milk. Even though it is in this package like this, I know it could possibly have been previously handled. I feel like, you know, it was still handled by someone. Just wipe it off. So yeah, I get the unsweet vanilla organic almond milk. All right, so here we have another cereal, box of cereal. This is the Cheerio Oat Crunch with cinnamon. It's really good. So this is for Deontay, he really likes it. So I'm gonna be wiping this down. I also forgot to mention that I actually did a wipe down before I put them in my car. But I'm doing this again. This step is always good, you know, to do it when you get home. And also because, you know, I wanna show you guys. I also picked up some Beyond Meat, Beyond Burger plant-based patties. This is the bomb. Like, I love this because you can have it like a hamburger, or you can like crumble it up into your, you know, spaghetti and stuff like that. So yeah, I find this really useful. I want to make sure you wipe it down. And then this right here is the drinks. So we got some drinks that we want to remove from the packaging. There is no reason to keep this here. This is the Bai antioxidant infusion, and this is the 15 pack. We got lots and lots of onions, and at first Deontay was like, wait a minute, we're not gonna be able to use all these onions. And I'm like, here's the trick, buddy. So here's another tip for you guys. Make sure that if you buy in bulk, if you get like peppers and certain fruits, I'm gonna be chopping it up and freezing it. There's nothing better than being able to pull it out of your freezer, fresh vegetables and fruits that you cut up and stuff like that. Nothing goes to waste when you freeze it, okay? So as I was saying, I got some peppers here in bulk. I got 2 orange, red, and yellow, so 6 in total. And like I said, I can chop these up and freeze them. And then obviously I got some bananas. Yeah, you wanna just, you know, lightly like wipe them down. I also picked up these organic grain-free paleo bars. This is amazing. I love this, it's so delicious. So in here there's 20 bars. I just love it. Just to tell you guys, the ingredients are just like straight up, like just so straight up. Organic whole almonds, organic honey, organic coconut, organic pumpkin seeds, organic coconut oil, organic Brazil nuts, organic pumpkin seeds, protein, organic chia seeds, cinnamon, sea salt, organic vanilla flavor. Like, this is bomb. Just want to wipe it down. So I also picked up some eggplants. These are little tiny baby eggplant. Or I like the picture here, how they have like the tomatoes on top. Ooh, love it. Also picked up rice. A huge bag of rice. You can't go wrong with that. So make sure you guys store all your dry foods, like plenty of dry foods. Can't go wrong with that. Right, I picked up a jar of creamy almond butter. I love this to add to smoothies and shakes. Just so many things. And this is what Deontay picked up. He picked up 4 bean salad. So yeah, there's like a bean salad in here. You can add this to rice, to just so many things that, you know, you could use this for. So you want to clean. Wipe it down. Next, what do we have? We have the spinach artichoke and parmesan dip and spread. This is another one of my favorites. We got all natural mashed potatoes, easy ones that you can microwave, you know what I mean, convenience time. And then I also got the dragon fruit blend. On their sign it said this is like from Colombia, so I felt super fancy. But yeah, this is dragon fruit blend. It has dragon fruit, mangoes, strawberries, and peaches. So you want to make sure you wipe them down right here, especially on the handles. Really clean your food, baby. We also picked up some crispy vegetable spring rolls with plum sauce packets. Yeah, this seems like amazing. We're really gonna like this. But yeah, you want to wipe them down. And something like this, like I said, you can remove the packaging. Yeah, see, something like this. I also picked up some organic strawberries, and I highly recommend strawberries because they're in season, so they're extra yummy. Make sure you're getting organic strawberries because strawberry is a fruit that has an open skin, you know, an exposed skin, and you don't want like to be eating non-organic strawberries because they're sprayed with pesticides and chemicals that you don't know what's been going on. So I highly recommend it. This was a bit on the pricier side. As you can see, this is a big bunch that I can freeze up. Then here again, you know, I can freeze up and throw it in smoothies. Yeah, but all of that is gonna get cleaned, and I'm gonna remove it from the packaging and clean it and freeze it. And then this also I can remove it from the packaging, but this is chicken tortilla soup. Yeah, I thought sometimes, like, you know, you're in a mood for a soup. So that's why I got this. But yeah, I'm gonna remove it from the packaging now. That is it. I'm gonna finish up here. Also, I'm gonna let you guys know that I'm gonna be disinfecting these bags because I use reusable bags, and they're dirty. We brought them from the outside, so you want to wipe them down, make sure they are cleaned. So now I'm gonna finish up here, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and got some value out of this video, and I'll see you in my next one.